your oil filter is supposed to be hand tight. All right, welcome back, people. So the clip in the beginning was me putting a bunch of pieces into the Ford Escape that I had bought from Copart. So this is a long time coming. This video should have been made long ago, even though it was edited long ago. But anyway, I'm just here to wrap it up kind of and go through some of the fees. Car plus fees, $4,775, and then we have all the pieces I put here on an Excel sheet. Minus, I think I didn't upload the tranny fluid. I forgot the specific brand, but so add another $50, I think it was, onto the total price. But you know, here we got the bumper cover, speaker, tail light, reflector, the various nuts that needed to be bought, bumper reflectors, absorber, crash bar. That was the two main, I think, big purchases really were the tailgate, which was $1,000. And then a new battery, or I got a new battery for it, brake pads, and then the crash bar. That was kind of like the big, and the rear bumper, I guess, too. That was the couple big things that I had to get done to it or buy to get put on, or put them on, as you guys saw in the video. Anyways, so the total is about $6,888.66. Again, throw in another $50 or whatnot for the training fluid. So technically, you know, just below $7,000. Now, that was being my goal, but there's two caveats. One, technically, the muffler is still chopped off from before. I never bought a muffler to put back on. I just cut off the muffler part that was jammed up, which you can see from the last video. Cut that off. So it's technically, I should buy a muffler for it so it's not so loud. And it would be nice to have another spare key as well, because it only came with one key. Now, with that being said, was it totally worth it? I'm gonna have to say no. We spent a little less than $7,000, but there's one issue with the car that I was hoping that would have been fixed with the mounts or a flush, and that's the transmission. The transmission is slipping, I guess you could say. Something's not going because it's clunking in a gear, or it's like missing a gear, almost like when you floor it. It's not catching. It's like third or fourth, somewhere in there. First, I think is okay. Second is okay. I think it's third or fourth. Like, it's not there. It'll, like, you can gas it and it'll shoot up RPMs, and then if you let off the gas, it'll catch. So yeah, tranny is going out. Now, I haven't went and got a quote for that, but I'm based on the forums and stuff, that's another $3,000-ish somewhere with labor. So yeah, it's still drivable. I drive it every day. I'm just easy on it. Yeah, I was hoping that wasn't the case. If I changed, maybe it was like the mounts were broken. That's why I bought the mounts, which, oof, did I not put those in here? Oh, no, I put mounts right here. Okay, cool. Because I bought mounts, the transmission mounts. I changed them out, which you guys saw in the video as well. And that didn't help. The flush helped it a little bit. It made it less jerky. And the fluid looks still red. It's I forgot the brand of the fluid, but the transmission fluid was still red, which is a good sign. But it smoothed it out, but it's still, the transmission is gone, which sucks, because then basically I should have probably just kept the Subaru instead, and just built that, because that was the bearing was probably shot on that, so that would have been another $3,000, but I would have kept my car, right? So was it worth it? I would say no, sadly. I took the risk. Did it pay off? Not really. It's got its use. We did some major yard work in the front that needed a truck or a SUV or something to dump rocks and all this other stuff, so that was helpful. Is it easier to get my little daughter in and out of the car? Definitely. But was it worth the like $7,000 or it'll be close to 10 with the transmission rebuild? Probably not. So that is that. The wait is over. I hope you guys are having a happy new year. I will be back soon, I promise, with a BMW video, actually, because a couple videos back a while ago, a couple years ago, I bought my dad a BMW for a late Father's Day present, and we are doing brakes and rotors on that, so I'll post that video when it is time. Anyways, have a happy new year. Happy 2022. Peace.